Now what do I do? I really gotta take her back. Think about all the fun times that we used to have. Oh man, with that picture, she's got all this work done. Like, look at her. Big bore? Big boobs. No, stay. You think about all these parts that she's got now? All these parts, dude. Look at these parts. These nuts. What do I do, man?
I'm outside. There she is. Wow. You look different. You got this, and she got you got a little oil cooler hiding in there. Oh, what? Oh, you got a new intake. What? You got a 180 TPR big bore kit. What? People thought I was gonna get rid of you. Not with this little big bore kit you got. Big bore job you got. You know. Here it is. I did big bore the bike. I'm really sorry that it took as long as it did to make a video about this. It took about a month and a half just to get all this stuff put together and tuned and everything. We just kept running into a couple errors. Master Mechanic Josh, really, he helped me out with this. My buddy Josh, I love you, you tall, sexy man. Hit him up, ladies. Ooh, we got a little bit of a leak, question mark? Alright, we'll check that out later. Taylor Motorsports actually tuned this, and they were extremely good too. Really good price, really good turnaround. They're in the city. If you guys want to tune your bikes or anything like that, go check them out. I might even try to get a little bit of a sponsorship with them or some kind of thing, so check them out. So let's see how she does. I'm excited. You ready, boys? These bugs. Alright, here we go. Bruh. Okay. It's like, are you kidding me? Alright, here we go. She smells rich. Ooh. Oh, I've missed you. Oh, Billy. Oh, she's loud. She's a little rowdier. You can hear the intake sucking in air. Man, when you let off that gas, it stops too. It's nuts. This is awesome. This thing is already a big improvement, at least on the low end. We'll see. It's going to take us a while to get to the top end and really see how fast this thing's going to go. I really want to break it in, so I really want to give it some time. Hey, it's my buddies over there. I'm going to go check them out. How's it going, guys?
Long time no see. How you been?
It's been a minute. I've been pretty good. Just big bored it.
Yeah, I like that one. This one's tough.
I'm making a video about it right now.
You are?
Yeah.
How's it go, you too?
Uh-huh. When are you guys gonna cop some merch? I'm waiting. I'm waiting. No, I'm just messing with you guys. You guys are good.
No, I want to really bad. Your hoodies are tough.
I'm delivering one right now. Yeah, before this camera dies, I didn't really charge it that long, so I appreciate you guys. See you later. Super cool kids. Dude, this thing takes off though. That's crazy. It gives you like that sink into the back feeling, like your butt sinks into the back of the seat. It's got a lot more low end power right now, and this is awesome. I'm so excited. The videos I have planned and the ideas for this summer are gonna be awesome. So I'm hyped making this hoodie delivery, which I will be doing soon. The next time I know I'm gonna have all day to myself, I will post on my Instagram story and I will hand deliver t-shirts and hoodies to you guys if you want them. So let me know. And I'm trying to set up a Discord right now, and if I get that set up by the time I make this video, I'm going to link that in the description below. That way we can all stay in touch a little better. And you guys can ask me any questions, we can set up group rides a little easier and all kinds of fun stuff like that, so I look forward to it. Hello. Is Seth here? Is he at work?
Nope.
Oh, okay. Well, how are you?
Good. How are you?
She the best. Alright, Seth, you owe me 20 bucks. 21 for the delivery charge. What's up, guys? I see you guys out here on these things all the time. Like when I drive by, I see all the bikes in the garage and everything. Those are awesome. Those are the SSRs. Those are the 125s, ain't they? I just big board this thing too. Yeah, it's got the 180 on it right now. So I make videos too, by the way. I make moto vlogs all the time. So if the best way to find me is just to search like Ride Guy Moto or something like that. But because if you search just Ride Guy, it's this guy that makes like Minecraft videos or something, Minecraft, Roblox, I don't know. And that ain't me. That's the one question. Like you play Minecraft? I'm like, nah, that ain't me, dude. All right, guys. Well, take it easy. Thanks for, yeah. I hate these gloves. I just want a cool place to take photos, bro. Let's see if he talks to me. You want me? You want me? Cool. I thought he was trying to pull me over. Should I go talk to him? I kind of want to talk to him. It would make really good footage. And be like, oh yeah, this is illegal on your bike. This is illegal on your bike. Alright, dude. Should pop a wheelie right in front of him. You like dank woolies? Oh, come on. There we go. I have a question. Am I allowed to be out here? I'm just trying to find a place to take pictures.
Oh. Yeah, nobody's complaining or nothing.
Okay, alright, cool.
Anything going on here today?
Yeah, I was trying to find, I thought there'd be like a trail entrance or something like that I could like set my bike right in front of and take a cool photo, because I just got it back, so. Because I was going to take it down to Main Street and go like under like the bridge and stuff and set it right there and have all the cool like bridge overpass, you know, above it and stuff. But I was trying to not have to drive all the way out there, but.
Not much around here.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm so upset about. So, alright man, you have a good day. Thank you. Should do a fat woolly. Yeah, anybody want to make a right-hand turn down there? That'd make it for a cool photo right there. My nuts hurt. I think this thing's still recording. I don't really know for real. Yeah, we still good. What's up, man? I make YouTube videos. I figured I'd give you a guy's business card so you can check it out. Really? Yeah. I haven't been in any like serious accidents myself, but my buddy nearly died right in front of me last summer, so that was interesting. He went into oncoming traffic, but yeah. And the best way to find it is if you go on YouTube, search Ry Guy Moto, and then look for that photo that I gave you on the business card. Yeah, look for, it's pretty much that photo, but like real life. It's not animated, so it's literally, I was doing that, but.
You headed all the way down the bottom now?
Yeah, I'm gonna go try to find some good place to get some photos. Okay. I'll say if I get down there and it ain't.
Don't go through it fast.
I don't want it to get in the intake. Alright, we'll see. I'll let you guys know. I guess I'll get it on footage. You guys can check it out. Thank you. Yep. Oh, you would be in neutral, you whore. We're just cruising. That was fun. Oh, that's a good photo spot right there. Nice. Now I gotta wait for him to disappear. I gotta wait for this dude.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I am so excited with all these new parts that I got put on my bike, and I'm really excited for the videos that are to come. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up, and statistically speaking, only 1 in 5 of my viewers are actually subscribed, so take 2 seconds out of your day, hit that button, hit the bell, tell all your friends, let them all know. Really appreciate it, and I really appreciate you. Thank you guys, and have a great day, and I hope to see you soon. See ya.